friends, in today's video I'm going to show you an idea to send email from other email addresses. Okay, so just very few line of code is here. We can do that in our app script. So this is the code here. Let me run this function send email. Okay, as you can see here, so here is my email address. So this is my main email address, and I'd like to send an email from another email address of mine. So let me check my inbox. Refresh it. All right, I just got this new email from this sent from the app script, and we here have this email. So as you can see here, this is the email address is not my email address for this script, so it's from another email address of mine. So, and here you can see. So if you have a business requirement for sending your email from a lot of other email addresses, so you can use it. You can use this app script to do it. And let me explain it to you how to do it. And first of all, you have to do some settings in your Gmail, okay? And please go to your Gmail settings and all right, loading the settings. Go to account and import. Here you have options to send email as have an option to set that, and also you can use Gmail to send from your other email addresses. Okay, here I have already set one, so that's why I can use email address to send emails. All right, so if you have other email addresses, you can add it there. I'll add it here. So you just click add another email address, and you can name your email address, and you just put your email address here. Let's say example. So this is a fake address, I think. So make sure you check this. So treat as a check this box, okay, and go to next step and send verification. Okay, once you get an email, since this is a fake email address, I cannot get an email. Receive the code. Okay, so if you are putting a real email address, you should be able to get the verification code here, and once you put the code here, you can verify your email address. Okay, so since this one is a fake email address, so it's unverified, and if it's unverified, we cannot use it in our script, but we can use this one. So since this one is already verified, so let's go to the script. So first, it is very simple. So just using this Gmail app to send emails, and you have the receipt and subject and body here. Just very simple lines of code. And I'd like to explain these options here. You have a lot of options that you can do in this send email function. Let me show you the document. Go to this API reference, and just search Gmail API, send email. Okay. Okay, so use this one. Alright, so you got this Gmail app, and you should be able to find the send email method here. Alright, you have two options here. The first one is a simple version, and the second one, for the second one, you have a lot of settings in these options parameter here, and if you scroll down to this advanced parameters, so this is about the options you can set in. So all this kind of advanced parameters you can put it in these options. Okay, so here we are using this from parameter, and we use this name parameters here. For the first one, for the name, so it's just the name of the sender of the email. So in my example, I put this name here, and if you check the email you received, so you get the name here of your email. Okay, so this is the name, and for the from, let's go to the document. So for the from is the email address. Okay, so the email should be sent from, so is my another email address. But you should be careful. You have to use this method to retrieve the email address from your account. So that's why here I'm using this. So let me log this. So as you can see here, it's a string, it's an array. Okay, as here is a string array, right? So that's why I here use the index of the first element. Since I only get one, so if I have a two or more email addresses there, you can get more items in this array. So let me try to send this again. Second. So let's send again. Okay, it's done. And I should be able to have another one. Use this one. Alright, so okay, here this is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, and if we go to our script and check the log, okay, here this is our email addresses, right? So this is the log, and we only have one item, so put a 0 index here to get the email address. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. Maybe one more thing. So as you can see here, we have a lot of advanced data parameters here. You can do almost everything in this option settings here. You can put a BBC or CC, or you even can add attachment here, and you can do the inline images and no reply or reply to. So all this kind of stuff you can put them in this options parameter, just like this. This is object, is a JavaScript object, so you can put all this kind of advanced parameters in these options. Okay, so basically you can do almost everything in the app script to send an email. Alright, so I think that's all for today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it in comment below. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time.